What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How-To. Today I'm going to be showing you guys just how easy it is to replace the globes on your downlights. Now, a lot of people tend to get stuck with these ones here. They fiddle around with it and try and work out exactly how you remove the globe itself. Now, whether it's a LED downlight or it's a halogen like we've got in this case here, the process is exactly the same. So if you notice up here, there'll be three little lugs. What they're designed for is to allow your fingers to get a grip. We want to turn this one here over to the left until you feel it ready to drop. So once again, I'll reinstall that one there, turn it back to the right. It's now fixed in position. Twist it over to the left until it allows the globe to come out. Now what you'll notice here is we've got our electrical wires. We want to just simply hold on to that, wiggle it back and forward until we remove our globe. Now if we have a look here at the globe, you can see it's got two little pins on it and we've got the outer cover. So we want to just remove this globe here. Slide it out just as easy as that. Take this globe, match it up with one exactly the same, which we've already got here. And we're going to replace this one now. So a lot of people tend to get stuck with these. So I thought I'd show you guys just how easy it is to reinstall or to replace. Take the light, slot it back in, make sure it's all sitting nice and flush down on the bottom here. And then we can take it. Now in this case here, I've got the lights already on. So as soon as I touch this one here, the light will automatically turn on. So that way I'll know straight away if the globe's working, as we've got there. So now I can switch this one here off. Plug that one there in, just wiggle it until the teeth go back into position. Push our cables back up, and we're gonna now line this one here back up and turn it back to the right. Ready to go, switch on the lights. Perfect. So there you have it, guys. That's just how easy it is to replace your globes on your downlights. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How-To.